Here's how you can create a QR code in 30 seconds or less. And just a heads up before we get started, make sure you've already gone to the page that you want to make a QR code. So for example, I have my YouTube channel pulled up here and I want to make a QR code for my YouTube channel. Right click on a blank spot on the page and then you're going to see this context menu pop up. You're going to look for the option that says create QR code for this page. Click on that. Once you see this QR code pop up, you're going to go ahead and click download. Downloading that QR code is going to save it to your computer so you can use it later. But if you want, you can copy it directly into a document. Once you click copy, then you'll be able to copy and paste the QR code into any Word document or wherever else you need to paste it, and I'll show you how. First, I'm going to go ahead and open up a Word document, a blank one, and show you how it works. It works the same as copying and pasting. I'm just going to go into my blank Word document and then I'm going to do Command V since I'm on Mac and copy it directly into my Word document. Clicking download will download that QR code to your computer. And now that you have it downloaded, you can go ahead and open it and you can scan it with anything that can support QR codes. You can insert it into a Word document or whatever else you need to do you can do with this QR code you just downloaded. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.